Hi guys, so I wasn't sure where I was going to go next because we just got off all that Christmas stuff and all kinds of new releases and other things. So I'm going to go to the Anna Griffin Christmas card making kit just to finish up with Christmas. I might have some other Christmas items, so I'm waiting for some art impressions, things that I ordered, at the very end of the month. They should be here tomorrow. So, well, I guess when you're watching this, it depends. But if I have any links for any of the items or for this box, it will be an affiliate link, and that means I make a small commission if you were to purchase this. Right now, this is available on HSN. And it's, I reviewed the birthday box, which is gorgeous. I'm assuming this is very similar, but obviously Christmas related. And I believe you can make 40 cards is what I was hearing. So let's get this guy opened up. Oh, I forgot to mention in that last video, the box is really nice and big. So like, obviously when you're done or, you make your things, you can keep them in here, but you can store all kinds of other things in here. And I figure for me, I'll probably just keep, other cards in here whenever, or a bunch of, I have a lot of Christmas stuff and they're mostly stamps and dies and they would fit in here perfectly, It's a big box. Okay, so you have your inspiration sheet. Again, just like the birthday box, just, you're gonna stack them up, do whatever you like. Where is that shadow coming from? I don't know. So lots of ideas. Again, with the gold paper, it's because you're gonna die cut that yourself. It does include gold papers, but you would use whatever dies you have in your collection to do something like that, or embossing, however you want to do that. Comes with some dimensional adhesives, tons of sentiments with different shapes and sizes and sayings, and you can see different colors with the gold foiling. The little bows, they're really pretty. Maybe I'll try to use a bow today. I didn't use one the other day, but I wanted to. So plenty of bows, like each card would get a bow, but I didn't use them the other day. So you're gonna have plenty of leftovers to mix and match with other things. I guess depends on how you use it. Lots of like little, the sticker toppers. These are more, these are the floral ones. These are, like little Christmas gifts. It looks like lots of gifts. You have the little bells. Maybe some ornaments or something. That's what it looks like back there. Yeah, let's see. Different ornaments of different shapes. These are I love this shape of ornament. Just so you know, that's like my favorite one. And then they have round ones, and I even like the one that's kind of squished like this. You can see like a French horn, maybe a dove or a bird. Here we go. So lots of different things in here. Oh, dropped some pens. This is just, your floral ones, and of course these are all stickers, and I always forget to use them as stickers. I finally remembered last time, and then somebody commented, "Oh yeah, I forgot that they're stickers." I'm like, yeah, it's funny because I'm usually the one that forgets that they're stickers. Sorry about all that noise. So we have the little holly leaves, which are really cute. Of course, your poinsettias. They have some bigger like Christmas trees in here. Really just pretty red kind of. I don't say roses. They look a little carnation-y, but I guess they're roses. So pretty. I mean, there's lots of things in here. What do we got here? Another little spray of like, what's that stuff called? Mistletoe. These are just kind of like toppers or back. These are more like I don't know. It depends, I guess, how you want to use it, but they're slightly different from the die cuts. These are just cut. They're foiled. They're flat. But that foiling is really pretty. Like the way it's made, so it has a lot of reflection to it. And then, snowflakes. There's like feathers, which is actually really pretty. A bunch of little flourish type things and some larger pieces. You guys are so funny in that last video when I cut the pink piece in half. If you watch the birthday video, everyone's like, "Oh, you must have heard me because I was yelling it." Everyone kept telling me that. I'm like, that's so funny. A good thing it occurred to me. And satisfied your curiosity there. Warmest wishes. These are kind of like the larger toppers. Happy holidays, again with a little bit of ribbon. Season's greetings to you. There's 2 of each. 'Tis the season. Merry Christmas. Oh, this is really pretty. I like the say lilies, I guess, right? Sending you peace. Christmas greetings to you. There's something else in here. Holiday greetings, warm winter wishes, and Christmas wishes. So I do like these because basically they take up the whole card, and then you can just dress it up however. Maybe I'll do a little bit different though, because I don't know. I used that last time. So these toppers are, again, really nice. In the last kit, they were just colored papers. And this time they have like foiling and different things. Because basically, I guess you would layer up your cards with these. And there's, looks like there's 3 of each. Really pretty. And again, if you don't use these, you can use these on other projects. Lots of gold sheets. Again, you can cut them down, die cut them, emboss them. Kind of your off-white or cream colored envelopes, and then all the card bases. And the last kit were very pretty, so I'm sure they're just as pretty in this one. I had kind of commented, and somebody else had said, you know, the box is a really great value. And I was like, you know, I didn't really talk about that because I'm just going through it. But I did mention that the stickers by themselves, like this, maybe with some toppers, is usually like 20, 25 bucks. Usually 25 bucks. So, I mean, this is a pretty good deal. We have the red card bases. I kind of messed that one up. Cream card bases, again with the gold foiling. These are green with the 2 different shades of green, which is really pretty. Some more cream ones with a deeper cream in the middle. I hope you can see the difference in colors. That's really pretty. Maybe I should try to not cover it up so much like I did yesterday's. And again, just like a creamier color, 2 different colors there. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's a lot in here. I'm kind of skipping over them, I have a feeling, because the way I'm moving them, but gorgeous cards. I have to look at that. Somebody said there's 40. It looks like 40, but let me see. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, that's 40. Well, it was like 5, 10, 15, 20, and that's about half, so yes. All right, well, let me kind of get the card base and maybe my main focal point going, and then we'll just put something together. So I have this one, because I really think it's pretty. I want to use this, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to take that. And then I went through the, kind of like the toppers, you know, how some of them are longer. I got this smaller one because I figure you can still see some of the background with that. And then we do have these guys. Sorry about that. My husband got up, even though I called him a while ago. He didn't answer, and now he's walking around. I'm like, what are you doing? So he had to get what he was going to do. All right. So again, you can use these guys too. If, you know, some of the cards that are more basic, you can add this. And really, for me, these are probably for like other cards. Like if I'm going to make another card just from scratch, you know, I'm going to use these because there's so much going on. I mean, it does make it more ornate. I mean, can't lie about that. I mean, that is pretty, but I'm going to try to keep it a little more basic. But that is very, very pretty. Now I'm like, I can see. That's what I was saying about the birthday box. It actually did teach me about the layering, even though, you know, because these aren't things I would come up with by myself. I mean, look at that. And so that was good. Really pretty. Okay, so we have that and that, and we already have a season's greetings on there, but even last time I was saying you can switch that out for something else. You don't have to keep that. Let's say, you know, wishing you a glorious Christmas. You can put this on here. Boom. Instead of the thing that's there, and then it even has a frame still around that, so obviously she did that on purpose, I would assume. There's lots of different, you know, things you can pop on there that are square shaped. Maybe even one of the circles. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, that one's cute. Hold on. Maybe we'll do that. That one's a little bit bigger. It covers up a little more. And we have these guys. I was kind of leaning towards using a tree. Just too green. Christmas tree. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I did want to show you. This is really pretty also for just a card, like the topper. And I have tons of her wreaths. Every year whenever she has her wreath dies, I buy the new wreath dies unless they're copies or, you know, duplicates of the year before. So I always end up picking those up. So I have plenty of dies that you can cut and then layer behind this or something like that. Let me see. We saw a Christmas tree in here, right? Earlier? I showed it to you. Emily was in the different box, different thing. This is crazy. Let me dig through here. I could have there. Hold on. No. Is it in a different package? Let me dig through this and see for what it was that I was looking for or what I had remembered. Duh, it's over here in this pack. I put this pack to the side. I'm like, I'm not using the flowers. Okay, I'm just going to leave these here. I might have to pick through them anyway in a little minute. There is a ton of stuff. I mean, there's definitely going to be extras. I guess it depends on how much you layer. I don't know if this tree will have space or not. And I don't know if there's different ones. I see there's a lot of them here, but I don't know if they're, let me see. Yeah, they're the same. There's like 4 or 5 of each of those dies. Let me see. Okay, so let's say that's there. We have this on here, have a Holly Jolly Christmas. It's kind of big on its own. I did want to use this, but this is very much taking up a lot of the space. Hold on, let me see here. Is that sideways? No, it's straight, okay. Yep, it's gonna be that. And then let me see about these presents. Let me dig through this box and see if, or this box, these items, and see if I have like a little gift, a smaller one. Okay, I took a lot of time to look for a tree and then I got rid of it. I think I'm just gonna go with this, just the gifts. And they're all red and kind of creamy colored. We do have a green one, but I feel like it blends in too much with the green background, so, oh no, I do not know what that was. Sounds like a child. Something fell. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this down completely. But again, it's always nice to kind of layer up, layer up, layer up with dimensionals. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to put some little dimensionals on the back of this. So I'm going to put a ton. When I come back, I'll have that ready, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, unfortunately, these backs of these pop off pretty easy, so that's nice. Again, I'm putting this a little bit higher up. And then I'm just going to layer these guys up somewhere here. No, I'll put that one out there. Here. Maybe that one down here, something like that. So I'm going to stick these down flat. And then the little one on top, he'll kind of come up a little bit higher. That one. Oopsie, let's bring that out. And then some dimensionals on this one. Now, of course, while I was sending this, I put more because I want to make sure it doesn't fall off by the time it gets where it's going. But for now, I'm just putting a few. And we're almost done. So I think that's what's nice about these. If you're looking to make, you know, a lot of Christmas cards, I know with the birthday card, people were like, okay, that one's really like for a special occasion birthday, like not just an everyday birthday, because it's really decked out. But I think with Christmas we always kind of go over the top, right? I mean, Christmas should be more festive, a lot more going on, in my opinion. I don't know. So that's pretty all by itself, just like that. But I told you guys I want to use the bow, so let's see. I know this already has some bow here, so I was thinking is maybe offsetting that gold in the background with like a red bow. Like right here, and then there's a couple layers. Kind of hiding it though. Again, we're not about hiding, are we? Oh, that's kind of cute up there too. I don't know. And I don't know if I should put it sideways like this or just there. Looks a little cuter sideways. But then, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me see about putting a gold bow. Maybe the gold will be a little bit better because it looks more like blended in with the background one. Otherwise, because I'm angling it differently, you know what I'm saying? If I had angled this one differently, you could see that gold in the back and it just looks kind of funny. So, I mean, yeah. So let's use this one. So I'm just going to use 3D glue gel because this stuff sticks really fast, but you can use whatever adhesive you would need to use. And in the end, I didn't even angle it differently. I just placed it there. But I think that looks cuter. I thought, oh, it'll look nice with a little contrast with the red. Wasn't my thing. Alright. I guess it wasn't too bad, but... Alright, well that is it. So, again, really gorgeous kit. Obviously, you know, not everyone loves the layering, and I hear that, and I've said that in the past. This is really easy to layer, so I like that, but I do like my layers to be visible, right? I don't feel like we have to cover everything up, so hopefully this gives you an idea of how to do that and still see your different layers, you know. So... Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.